Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering ingredients and preparing the fish for cooking. Use 4 skin-on salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, chilled and patted dry. Pat skin thoroughly with paper towel to ensure crisping. Season both sides evenly with 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Measure 2 tablespoons olive oil and 3 tablespoons butter. Slice 1 lemon thin and mince 2 garlic cloves for later basting of the fish. Heat a heavy stainless steel skillet over medium-high heat until the oil shimmers. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and place fillets, skin side down carefully. Press gently for 10 seconds to ensure full skin contact and even sear. Cook skin side down 4 to 5 minutes until the skin is crisp and brown. Flip fillets and add 3 tablespoons butter plus 2 minced garlic cloves to the pan. Tilt the pan and spoon melted butter over each fillet for 1 to 2 minutes to finish cooking. After basting, remove salmon to a warm plate and rest for 2 minutes before serving. Deglaze the pan with 1 tablespoon lemon juice and scrape up brown bits into the butter. Stir in 1 tablespoon chopped parsley and a pinch of salt to make a quick pan sauce. Check internal temperature aiming for 125 degrees F for medium doneness, or cook 1 to 2 minutes longer if desired. Spoon the sauce over each fillet, garnish with lemon slices, and serve immediately while hot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.